Hi reception, maths time now. Last week in maths we did some adding. We did some adding of numbers, and to start off our lesson we're going to recap a bit of the adding. We're going to read a little bit of a story and we're going to sing a song. Then we're going to see if we can do some subtracting. So we're going to see if we can do some taking away. So we're going to start off with a little recap of our adding. Can't really see it because my jumper's so big. A recap of our adding, and then we're going to have a go at some subtraction. So the story we are going to read is called Noah's Ark. I wonder if you can think why we're going to read Noah's Ark. A long time ago there lived a man called Noah. Noah was a good man who trusted in God. There were also many wicked people in the world. God wanted to punish the wicked people, so he said to Noah, I shall make a flood of water and wash all the wicked people away. Build an ark for your family and all the animals. Noah worked for years and years and years to build the ark. At last the ark was finished. Noah and his family gathered lots of food. Oh, they've got lots of food, haven't they? Then the animals came in 2 by 2. 2 zebras, 2 snakes, 2 giraffes, 2 dragonflies. 2 by 2, 2 flamingos, 2 penguins, 2 crocodiles, 2 little ladybirds, 2 tigers, 2 mice. Into the ark, so we've got some elephants, butterflies, some lobsters, toucans, geese, lizards, raccoons. When the ark was full, Noah felt a drop of rain. It rained and rained and rained. It rained for 40 days and 40 nights. The world was covered with water. At last the rain stopped and the sun came. Noah sent a dove to find land. All the animals are still there. How many went in of each animal? 2. 1 add 1 equals 2. Double. We're talking about doubles. The dove came back with a leafy twig. Hurrah, shouted Noah, the flood has ended. But many more days passed before the ark came to rest on dry land. Then Noah and all the animals came safely out of the ark, and life began again on the earth. So look, we've got 2 elephants. 1 add 1 equals 2. Double 1 is 2. 2 giraffes. 1 add 1 equals 2. Double 1 equals 2. So doubling is where you have 2 of the same number and you add it together to see what you have got. Look at all the animals that Noah took on the ark. All double 1. They are all double of 1 because it is 1 and 1. The same number added to the same number. 1 and 1 is double. We are going to learn some more doubles today with a doubles wrap. Now, I will put the link for the doubles wrap in the comments underneath this video so you can have a listen on YouTube again if you like it. We're going to use our fingers. So when he tells us what it is, we're going to use our fingers. Are you ready? Are you ready to do some wrapping? I think you are. Ready? Let's go. Doubles. I can add doubles. It's no trouble for me to add doubles. Doubles. I can add doubles. It's no trouble for me to add doubles. Let's see what the first one is. Can you hear the music? 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So every time we were doubling, weren't we? Because it was the same number on both hands. It's no trouble for me to add doubles. Doubles. I can add doubles. It's no trouble for me to add doubles. Should we try again? Get 1 and 1 ready. It's going to be ready in a minute. Ready. Well done. Are you ready? Let's go. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 on this hand. How many do I need on this hand to make a double? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4. And I need a double, so I need 4 on this hand. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So I would love for you to have another little practice of your doubles later using the YouTube video. I'll put the link in the comments so you can use the YouTube video and maybe send me some videos of your wrapping, because that's going to help with our adding the same number. Fantastic, superstars. So we are going to do a little bit of subtracting. Can you see my, oh, that was a loud noise. Can you see my lily pads? I've got, let's count my lily pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 lily pads. Show me 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On my lily pads there is something. What is on my lily pad? Let's see. Let's see. Frogs. Little frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 frogs and 10 lily pads. 10 frogs and 10 lily pads. The magic number today is 10, because I have 10 frogs and 10 lily pads. At the moment, every lily pad has a frog, but I would like you to shut your eyes for me, and some of the frogs might jump into the pond. Let's see. Shut those eyes. Oh, open your eyes. How many lily pads don't have frogs anymore? How many frogs are in the pond? 1 frog, 2 frogs. Can you show me 2 fingers? I have 2 frogs in the pond. I had 10 frogs on the lily pads. 2 have jumped into the pond. How many frogs are left on the lily pads? Shall we count them and see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 frogs left on the lily pad. I have taken 2 away. So 10 subtract, which means take away 2 equals, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, shall we have a go at that number sentence together? We started with 10 frogs. 10 subtract, how many jumped into the water? 2 equals 8. 10 subtract 2 equals 8. Because we started with 10, our whole number is 10. We started with 10, we took 2 away, 2 jumped into the pond, 1, 2. So we've taken away 2, and how many are left on the lily pads? 8. So 10 subtract 2 equals 8. They're a bit tired of swimming, so I'm going to pop them back onto their lily pads. And I have how many frogs on my lily pad now? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 again. My whole number is 10. I wonder how many frogs fancy a swim. Close your eyes for me and let's see how many of our frogs fancy a swim in the pond. Keep them closed. Oh, that one doesn't want to come. That frog didn't want to swim. Okay, open your eyes. Open your eyes. How many cheeky frogs have gone for a swim? Shall we count them and see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many frogs have we subtracted? How many frogs have we subtracted, have we taken away? How many are swimming in the pond? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 subtract 4 equals. 10 subtract 4 equals. How do I know how many it equals? What do I need to count? Do I count the frogs in the pond or do I count the frogs still on the lily pads? The frogs still on the lily pads. Good job. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. 10 subtract 4 equals 6. Shall we do it? Ready? 10 subtract 4 equals 6. One more time. 10 subtract 4 equals 6. Fantastic, because I had 10 frogs on my lily pads. I took 4 away. They went for a swim in the pond, which left me with 6. My whole number was 10. I subtracted 4 and I was left with 6 frogs. Right, let's pop these frogs back on their lily pads. They've had enough of that pond. And let's see, close your eyes. Close them for me. Let's see how many we've got left. Oh. Right, open your eyes. How many frogs are swimming in the pond? I started with how many? How many were on the lily pads to begin with? 10, good job. 10 is my whole number. I started with 10. I'm going to use that magic subtract sign, that magic take away sign. How many frogs have jumped into that pond? Cheeky little frogs, shall we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frogs have jumped into the pond. We are subtracting 5 from 10. So I'm going to put my number 5 here. What symbol do I need next? Show me with your arms. What symbol do I need next to tell me how many we have all together? What symbol do I need? Equals, good job. Show me that equals sign, fantastic. Let me see if I can write it as good as you can do it with your arms. How's that? Is that okay? Excellent. So 10 was how many I had to begin with. 5 have jumped into the pond, so I'm subtracting 5. How many do I have left? Let's count and see. 1 frog, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 frogs left. So 10 subtract 5 equals 5. Show me with your hands. Ready? 10 subtract 5 equals 5. Good job, reception. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. Fantastic. So what I would like you to do today, I would love you to have a little go at the doubles wrap again, just to refresh your mind with your adding. See if you can see how many doubles you can make. And then I would like you to make yourself some lily pads and find some frogs or make some frogs, and then have a go at doing some subtraction problems. I would love it if you could have a go at writing the calculations down as well as using your frogs and your lily pads. Don't forget to send me some pictures of everything you get up to. I'm really looking forward to seeing how cheeky your frogs are. Are they going to be as cheeky as my frogs, jumping in that pond all the time? Let me know how you get on, and I will see you later for some topic. Bye.